Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. It's a lecture number 4 of chapter 2 biological molecule, and this lecture include nucleic acid and its types. Nucleic acid made up of smaller molecules called nucleotides. Nucleic acid were discovered in 1868 by a Swiss physician, Friedrich Mr. Isolate a new compound from a nuclei of a cell. These biomolecules are acidic in nature and present in the nucleus, hence called nucleic acid. It is present in all living things from virus to man. There are two kinds of nucleic acid in a cell. One is known as deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA, and the second one is ribonucleic acid or RNA. Structure of nucleotide. Nucleic acid is also a macromolecule, consists of a similar repeating unit, and the repeating unit in nucleic acid is nucleotide. Nucleotide is consist of three basic parts: a 5-carbon monosaccharides, phosphoric acid, and nitrogen base. A 5-carbon monosaccharide present in RNA is ribose, and it is the structure of ribose, while the 5-carbon monosaccharide present in DNA is deoxyribose, and it is the structure of deoxyribose. And the only difference between RNA and DNA is the presence of ribose and deoxyribose, and there is a small difference only in a position number 2. In ribose there is hydroxyl group, while in position number 2 in deoxyribose is only a hydrogen atom. So there is only a difference of oxygen atom between ribose and deoxyribose. The next part, which is present both in RNA and DNA, is phosphoric acid. H3PO4 is the formula of phosphoric acid. Nitrogen base is the third most important part of RNA and DNA, and it's a molecule of basic nature and include nitrogen atom. Nitrogen base are of two types: pyrimidines and purines. Pyrimidines is also known as a 2-ring nitrogen base, and it's of two types: adenine and guanine, while purine is also known as a single ring nitrogen base, and it's of three types: thymine, cytosine, and uracil. While the nucleotide is consist of 5-carbon sugar, while phosphoric acid is attached on a position number 5 to the ribose sugar, while the nitrogen base is attached on a position number 1, and it is the structure of a nucleotide, the basic structure of nucleotide. So each nucleotide is consist of a 5-carbon sugar, phosphoric acid attached with the position number 5, and the nitrogen base, which is attached on position number 1. Types of nucleic acid. Nucleic acid are of three types: mononucleotides, dinucleotides, and polynucleotides. Mononucleotides also exist singly in a cell, or it may be a part of other molecule. DNA and RNA is not found in mononucleotide types. Some mononucleotide also contain additional phosphate group. For example, ATP. ATP is also a mononucleotide and contain 3 phosphate group, and this molecule is an energy precursor in every cell, in a plant cell, bacterial cell, and animal cell as well. The next one is a dinucleotide. Dinucleotide means two nucleotide unit combine and works together. Most of the dinucleotide in a cell act as a coenzyme. For example, NAD, nicotine amide, adenine dinucleotide, and it consists of 2 nucleotide unit. Polynucleotide. Nucleotide are found in a nucleus as a polynucleotide, and they have a variety of role in living organism. They usually perform the function of transmitters of genetic information. It also acts as a carrier of information. All the function of a nucleus or a cell is totally dependent on a nucleus, while nucleus contain these polynucleotide molecules. So indirectly, all the function of a cell is totally dependent on types of polynucleotide present in a cell. The next part of this lecture contains RNA is a carrier of information. We know that DNA is located in the nucleus of a cell, while most of the synthesis and metabolic function occur in the cytoplasm under the instruction of DNA. Therefore, DNA requires some intermediate molecules that carry information from nucleus to cytoplasm. These molecules are known as RNA. RNA are of three kinds: messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, and transfer RNA. Messenger RNA, it's a fragment of RNA which is formed by the DNA in a nucleus, and these messenger RNA contain a message, a sequence of amino acid, which is then transferred into the cytoplasm, where these messenger RNA is attached with the ribosome, and it is known as ribosomal RNA. Ribosome consists of a protein and RNA attached with this ribosome, so that's why it is known as a ribosomal RNA. Ribosomal RNA translate the messenger RNA, and then transfer RNA, it is responsible to take all the amino acid and attach these amino acid according to the sequence of messenger RNA. Genetic information move in a cell from DNA to messenger RNA, then to cytoplasm in a two-step process. Number first step is known as transcription, and next step is known as translation. In transcription, in this step, information containing in a specific segment of DNA is copied into RNA. This RNA is said to be messenger RNA, and this messenger RNA then transfer from nucleus to the cytoplasm, where these transfer RNA and ribosomal RNA translate the information of messenger RNA into a specific sequence of amino acid, which helps to synthesize the protein.